Deutsche Jagdflugzeuge starten zu Tiefangriffen auf die Nachschubstraßen im Brückenkopf des Feindes. Eine Straßenkreuzung mit Fahrzeugen unter dem Feuer der Bordwaffen.
Hello everyone and welcome to another video of the Wartime Whistles, where we talk about military history, rail fanning, and news in the Sonic the Hedgehog franchise. I'm Tyler, your host. In this documentary, we're going to be talking about the Fieseler Fi 156 Storch. Storch is German for Stork. This aircraft was an observation and liaison aircraft designed and produced by the German aircraft manufacturer Fieseler. Its nickname as Storch was derived from the lengthy legs of its main landing gear, which gave the aircraft a similar appearance to that of the long-legged big-winged bird. Developed during the mid-1930s in response to a request from the Reich Aviation Ministry, or RLM, the Fi 156 was an affordable and easy-to-construct aircraft, purpose-designed for the liaison, Army cooperation, and medical evacuation roles. It was well regarded for its excellent short-field STOL. STOL stands for Short Takeoff and Landing. Excellent short-field performance and low stalling speed of 31 miles an hour. Around 2,900 aircraft of various models, the most common being the Fi 156C, were produced between 1937 and 1945, so just before and during World War II. The Fi 156 quickly became popular on the export market, eventually being widely used by various nations. It was armed with a MG-15 machine gun that was operated by the rear gunner. Now, this was not the only observation liaison aircraft that was equipped with a rear gun. The other aircraft, there were 4 of them from different nations. The Fi 156 was powered by an Argus AS-10 V8 inverted air-cooled piston engine, 240 HP. Its max speed was 109 miles an hour at sea level, with a cruise speed of 81 miles an hour, economic cruise. Out of the 2,900 built, 30 exist today across the world. 9 are airworthy, operated by museums in Germany, Norway, South Africa, and the US. The Fi 156 was retired by the German military in 1945 and the French military in 1970. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications bell. And please follow me on X at TailsAmyHQ. See you in the next one.
Von allen Seiten starten unsere Verbände, den Feind schon lange vor Erreichen seiner vermutlichen Ziele anzugreifen. Und über dem Küstenvorland stoßen Jäger und Zerstörer auf den Feind. Ein dicker Pulk, vorne ein Feindjäger. Unsere Verbände stürzen sich auf den Gegner. Treffer in Leitwerk und Motoren. Zieht seine Maschine zum neuen Angriff vor.